Hello everyone, myself Rizwana. I heartily welcome all the students in my YouTube channel. Okay dear students, I am going to explain the subject is mathematics for the 10th class and the topic is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is also known as analytical geometry. It can be defined as it is the study of geometry using the coordinate system. Okay dear students, what is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is the study of geometry using the coordinate system. Okay, in graph, two axes will be there, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, the point which are present on x-axis is called as x-coordinate and the point which are present on y-axis is called as y-coordinates. What are the uses of this coordinate geometry? The coordinate geometry is highly useful in the field of physics, engineering and also in space science. Okay dear students, here one formula is there. That formula is known as distance formula. Here d equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where x1 and x2 are the coordinates of x-axis and y1 and y2 are the coordinates of y-axis. Okay children? Okay dear students, in this class we will solve some more exercise problem. Exercise 7.1, first question. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. Here some pairs of points are given. 2, 3 and 4, 1. What we have to find? We have to find the distance between 2 points. Okay children? Consider this as A 2, 3, B 4, 1. What we have to find? We have to find the distance between these two coordinates. D is equal to, write the formula, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, consider this point as x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, write down d is equal to root of, what are the values of x coordinates? 2, 4. Now x2 value is 4, substitute here. 4, x1 value is 2 whole square plus y2 value is how much students? 1. y1 value is 3 whole square. D equal to root of 4 minus 2, how much you will get? 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 whole square. Then D equal to root of 2 square value 4 minus 2 whole square is nothing but you can write like this, so minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 you will get. 4 plus 4 root 8. Root 8 can be written as 4 2s are 8. Then D is equal to 4 is a perfect square root of 2. 2 root 2 units. The distance between the coordinates A and B is 2 root 2 units. Okay dear students, are you following? We'll go for the second problem. Here second problem, coordinate values are given, minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Consider this as A and this as B. Consider this coordinate as x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Now we have to find the distance between these two coordinates. Substitute the same formula, d equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. D equal to root of x2 value is how much dear students here? Minus 1. x1 minus 5. This minus is related to formula. Now substitute whole square as it is. y2 value is 3. y1 value is 7 whole square. Okay. D equal to root of minus 1 minus into minus plus 5 whole square. Okay. 3 minus 7. How much you will get? 7 minus 3? Minus 4. 7 is a greater number. 7 is having negative sign. So substitute here. Then D equal to root of 5 minus 1 will get how much? 4 whole square. This 4 whole square. Okay. Then 4 square value 16. 16 plus 16 how much will get? 32. This 32 can be written as 16 2s are 32. 16 is a perfect square root of 4. Then answer, distance between the two coordinates is 4 root 2 units. Distance is here. Unit is you have to write 4 root 2 units. Okay, dear students, are you following? This A and B are the values are given here. Coordinate A value is minus 5 comma 7 and B value is minus 1 comma 3. Consider this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. Now substitute all this value in this formula. That is d is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. D equal to x1 value is x1 value x2 value is minus 1, x1 value is minus of minus 5. Substitute whole square plus y2 value is 3 and y1 value is 7 whole square. 5 minus 2 minus plus 5 will get plus 5 minus 1 will get 4 here whole square. 7 minus 3 will get 4 whole square. 4 square value 16, 4 square value 16. 16 plus 16 how much will get 32. This 32 can be written as 16 to the 32. 16 is a perfect square root of 4. Then you can write 4 root 2 units. Okay, dear students, are you following? Are you understanding these problems? Okay, we'll go for next problem. Next problem is, here also what we have to find? Distance we have to find. Coordinates values are given a comma b minus a comma minus b. Okay. Now d equal to substitute the formula. Consider this as x1 y1. This as x2 y2. Here numbers are not provided. Algebraic terms are provided here. For that also we can find the easily distance between these two coordinates. Write down the formula, distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. D equal to root of x2 value is how much? Minus a. x1 value a whole square. y2 value minus b. y1 value b whole square. D equal to minus a how much will get? Minus 2a whole square. Minus b minus 2b whole square. D equal to root of 2 square value 4 a square as it is. 2 square value 4 a square. Okay. Now in these two terms 4 is common. Remove 4 common. Inside the remaining term is a square. This is b square. A square plus b square. Okay. 4 is the perfect square root of 2. Then we can write it as a square plus b square units. The distance between these two coordinates a comma b and minus a comma minus b is 2 root of a square plus b square. Once again I will repeat this. Listen here. This a comma b minus a comma minus b. x1 y1 x2 y2 considered. Substitute all this value in this formula, distance formula. x2 is minus a, x1 is a whole square plus y2 is minus b and y1 is b whole square. Okay. Minus a you will get minus 2a minus b minus 2b whole square. 2 square value 4 a square as it is. 2 square value 4 b square as it is. Okay. Now remove the 4 comma. You will get inside a square plus b square. Okay. 4 is the perfect square root of 2. Then answer is distance between the two coordinates is 2 root of a square plus b square.